Hello viewers, in this video we will resolve an error that's appeared when we put manual IP address. A message appear, can't save IP settings, check one remote settings and try again. How to fix this problem? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and search in search bar Control Panel. Control Panel will appear. Now open the Control Panel. Now change the view and sort by large icon. On the central face, you will find Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. Now on the left side, you will find Change Adapter Settings. Now you can see our Wi-Fi adapters. Now right click on it and go to Properties. Now find here Internet Protocol version 4. Now click on Choose the following IP address at your button and put the IP address manually that you want. After that, click on OK button. Now go back your Wi-Fi SSID. Click on Wi-Fi icon and select the specific SSID and go to Properties. Now try to put manual IP address. Now click on Edit button and select Manual option and enable the review button IPv4 and assign the IP address that you want to assign and click Save button. You can see here there is no any error message appear. These simple steps that you can follow to resolve this issue. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.